Hello guys and welcome to the How to Chat. In this video, I'm going to talk about how we can connect our Canva to n8n. For this, we are going to need a Canva account. We are also going to need an n8n account. After this, you should keep in mind that we must have what is the premium or the pro version of Canva. That is the pay membership of what is Canva to be able to access these options. After this, what we will do first of all is go to the Canva developers area, which is canva.com/developers. Once here, well, we will find this area and we will go to the Your Integration sections, which is in the part of the menu or the navigation bar. We would click here on Your Integrations, and for better understanding, you will be able to see that it says discover better workflows for you and your team with integrations. Here we will connect what our app is to create integrations to synchronize access, designs, among other things. We will click here on create an integration. So we are going to set it as public because private will only be for companies, and we will need what is a plan. We will agree to the Canva developer terms and click here where it says create integration. Once this is done, we will change the name of our integrations and n8n integration, and here we will have these sections. Now we will go to what is our n8n workspace, and we will click here where it says create or on the plus sign. Here we will search for the HTTP request. That is an HTTP request. And here we will have this area. What we are going to do is paste the link that I'm going to show you to next. When this is done, what we are going to do is go here where it says authentication. And for the identification type, we will set it as generic type. We will choose a generic authentication type. We are going to select what is the auth 2 API. We will click here and where it says create new credential. First of all, we will change these names and we will name it Canva credential. Now, what we are going to do is go here where it says client ID, and in Canva we will have what is our client ID. We are going to copy it, and once copied, we will go to what is in n8n. Here we would paste it, and now where it says client secret, we will go to the Canva developers, and here we will click on generate secret. Once we click on generate secret, it says your secret has been copied. Now we will copy it and paste it here in what is n8n. Once this is done, we will have what is the scopes area or scopes here, and we will have what are these. In this case, we are going to have all the scopes enabled, and once we have all the scopes enabled, it will also depend on each person. We're going to go to what is in n8n, and in case we have all the scopes enabled, we're going to paste it. What is this that I'm going to leave for you in the description as well. Once this is pasted, we will go to the upper section, and where it says authorization URL, we're going to paste what is in the authorization URL, which is this and here, which I'm going to leave for you in the description. And where it says access token URL, well, here we are going to paste this one on here that also I'm going to leave for you in the description. When this is done, well, we would have this area configured. And here we would say auth redirect URL. We are going to copy this link here and go to what is our Canva developers. And here in our integration, we will go to the authentication section. Once here, well, we will have what are the authorized redirects. And in URL 1, we are going to paste what is the one we have here in what is n8n. When we paste it, we will have this area. Well, now if we scroll down, we will click Connect My account. Once we click on Connect My Account, it will send us to what is Canva. What will happen here? Well, it will ask us to link our n8n account with what is our account here to Canva. We see that n8n integration that we are creating here will have what are the permissions, such as viewing our application, creating, modifying, and deleting apps, viewing metadata, among other things, such as creating designs, among other things. We will click here on Allow, and once we click on Allow, n8n will be linking with total satisfaction what is n8n to the Canva credential here. Now we will exit, and in this part, we could now use what are these requests or HTTP requests from n8n. We will click here, for example, and on this one we made, we will click on execute step. And also this is one, it will be showing us all the users or what is our Canva thing. We can also use what is this table here, which, well, is giving us what is the information about the purpose, the method that is used, the URL that I'm going to put in the note that of what is those. In this case, well, we could use what is this one, so we will leave it as is. And we would also click execute. As we can visualize, it has just loaded. We will also have what are methods, such as post, delete, get, patch. In the case of what is post, well, we would also have to change what is the header of each of these things, due to the fact that, well, a post is for adding, so we would have to put something. And due to the fact that, for example, if we paste this, we put it here, and here we click on post, it will not allow us due to the fact that we need what is the body, right? So, well, this will also depend on what we are going to need. In this case, well, we could also try with a delete. We are going to copy this. It will also ask us for the ID of one of these. We could put one. If it exists, it will be eliminated. In my case, it doesn't exist. And well, that would really also depend on each application or account. Everything depends on each account or each user's ID and what are the assets or what are the attributes of each account or each Canva application. And this would really be a brief explanation of how to use or how to link n8n account to the Canva account. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next tutorial on the How To channel.